Good morning. Last day here on Guam. I don't think she's ready to go back to Seattle. But yes, it's gonna be our last day here on Guam. It's just roughly in the morning, but we're gonna head out for breakfast. The usual treat from Betlin and Crema Pansi. They're gonna take us out again for breakfast. So I'm gonna take you guys onto this journey and see what we have. Where are we going? Okay. So there's the lobby. Good morning. So that's the breakfast area. Lots of military guys over here. And then we're waiting for our Uber driver slash navigator slash host of this beautiful island of Guam. Yeah. All right. The boys, I don't think the boys are coming with us. The boys, they don't like to go around. All they want to do is just hang out with the rest of the boys, the team. So, all right, we'll see you guys later. All right. We're going on a breakfast mission. Fit? This is all right. We're going on a mission, on a breakfast mission. Care Charabitir. This is the team that we're going with. Lord, era que cava. Y ya puesto cava not a restaurant. Mayor. Oh. That's Burton. Burton our mer family. Nice view. Oh, Elston is here too? Okay. Good morning, Elston. I didn't know you're coming too. Did they wake you up? Huh?
No, I was already awake.
Huh?
I was already awake.
Tao should be trong mơ. It looks like it's a busy restaurant. See all this line all the way down. Looks like we're gonna make it. Our line is all the way from back there. It all started from back there now. Ordered right here. So everyone is up there. Lord, kau sesan misal. See? Kavi sao te pansi pet liri tree. They kapot fitiga. Kapot no. Ata para te. That's too bad. All right, it's our turn now. It is our turn. No. No, look at this view. Woo. It's a bit crowded, but I'm gonna sit down on that side. Low. Wow, that's a beautiful view down there. That's nice. That's very nice. Uh-oh. Make room for the entire Turkish community. Thank you. Bring all the business, all the business. All right, this is where we're sitting. All the ladies on that side. Us over here. Heiner, hier ne diyorum. We're all gonna go eat. I think Elston is enjoying without Marosin. Elston? Marosin is gonna get mad at you. Anyway. Ya bu sebenarnya pot idea pot tur buat sana kopi. Huh? Yeah. These guys are getting ready to.
Coke and I'll look for the hot coffee.
Thank you.
And it's some ice water as well?
Ice water? Yeah. All right. It looks like we're gonna enjoy our meal this morning. Looks like we're gonna have a really beautiful. Well, thank you. And then there's a cup of coffee coming out. Let's start to enjoy. Look, you're missing out big time, man. Look, you're missing out big time. You got coffee creamer?
Yes, sir. Ice water?
Yes, ice water is good. Thanks. Yeah, you can just set them down and we'll take it from there. Thank you. Beautiful. This is a really good restaurant. First time.
It's really busy for breakfast.
Oh, really? I want 2 pancakes. Excuse me. It's a busy restaurant. busy restaurant. I got buffet?
You're out of syrup.
That's alright. Get a little bit of the syrup. Yeah, that's there we go. Nothing.
I cannot.
It's okay, you can choke it. Look, see? They'll bring out some more, but there's no butter?
There's over easy eggs on that side.
Okay, I'll get both. See? Oh, I need to make some eggs. And sausage, yes, please. Can you give? I told you to get my eggs. Now this guy's getting it. Give me. What?
More?
No, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah. Spam?
What? Spam?
Yeah.
Okay, just one. Okay. What's that? No,
You want this or the fried rice?
I want the fried rice. Okay, bacon. All right. I should have grabbed two. Okay.
One more?
No, that's good. All right. Let's see. What do you got?
Beef stock soup.
Oh yes, I'll get a soup after. But give me the rice, please. Get me the rice. Fried rice. All right, we got fried rice. Put the fried rice in here. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, what's this? What's that?
Milkfish.
Huh?
Milkfish.
Oh yeah. I like milkfish. A little bit. Yes. Milkfish. Yep. Okay. Yeah, just a little bit of that. That's good.
Put the eggs over there.
Okay. Yeah, but I want soup. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. What? The soup? My soup?
You want this one?
Yes, for now. It's a really busy restaurant. That's good. Okay, thank you. Be careful. Watch out. Vậy đó. Rồi. Hả? Apa bibi buat data betul. Iya. Yeah. Hey. Looks like everyone is enjoying. Sahabat Ficir. Hello. Para right tare. Pasti yang ke chọn katora. No, tabi abi. Isog. Pansin ko. Petni. Sakra pa mo ke. Morning. Morning. You guys can sit over there. Saatse kan much meio perten. Yietse katun. Ai isok sai oraks voikin. Ito na kairo. Su.
Ah, Syria.
Oh.
Wala mo na natin yan. Syria na ramon Syria. Ito na.
Yeah, just this one. Those two. Apat. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. No?
No coffee.
Yeah.
Ano simple? Simple. Yeah.
कहते हुए ना मैं अपने पनीर पनीर तो वेरा पेक पनीर वाला पेक लोर
Dia maman Allah dia. Nanti bertona no se tiene. Kayak mau musuh. Ada no se tiene kalau juga betul. Kami menangkan. Kami menangkan.
All right, I'm going to serve some coffee right now. Harpi, ये चकातुर क्या कैसे कुर कॉफी पर कॉफी ये चकातुर और कॉफी क्या क्या कैसे कुर कॉफी पर अन्य को पर what's that?
We're doing last call for the buffet, sir.
Oh, okay, all right, thank you. All right, last call for the buffet.
Let's go, let's go.
Now everybody's full. Now they're out there just taking pictures. Elston? Look. What a beautiful view. Nice, nice. Oh, no, on the other side. On the other side. That's a really nice view, guys. Ooh. This is nice. Yeah. Margri Joseph Angri Pansi me Petlin. Kaya airport. Wait, kebi to iki. Miso chapur. Ini kebi. giriso. Ever. I know. This mall is huge. Look. That's the back. It looks like a regular mall in the States. Yay! It's all the way down here in Micronesia. Oh, we spotted Chucky's. Huh? Oh wait, it's just RP. APC stores? APC stores. Nice. Hi. This place is good. I'm not tour guide, even though she's from Kansas. Tour guide. Man, I cannot believe this mall is really that busy. Would you know if this was in Micronesia or back in the States? Probably not, huh? Because this place is beautiful, advanced. Yeah. This place is beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from, if you don't mind me asking?
We're from Chuk, but we live in Seattle, Washington.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very different.
So we were here last year.
Yeah.
So, but we liked it so much, so we decided to come back here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you guys first day here today, or?
This is our last day.
Oh, last day.
Today's our last day.
Getting
Yeah.
some stuff for family.
Yeah. I was just telling everybody in my video that they would probably even know that this is here in Guam, because this place is like, it's like even comparable to like the States, you know?
Yeah, and even like some people too, they've never been to Guam. They're like, where is Guam? What is I know. Thank you guys. You guys have a good day.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day. What were you saying? Well, what's that for?
It's a free gift.
Oh.
You can take it for your.
Huh? Okay. See? Look, I even have a gift.
Where to go?
No?
My phone?
I don't know. Fai Santa. Narito pa ka rin. To check in your bag. Karito ka. Oh. Man, I am so amazed. Look at this stores. I would not even think this is in Guam. This place is like, see? Property at Fence Store Guam. It's like everywhere we go, she's there. Kupag is already 50. For cover. If I know it, Morrison. Oh, kiri sa sabor krama pansit. Look, guys, that's how busy this Ross is. Like the line goes all the way down. But very busy store. Right, I'm gonna show all the registers. Look, all the registers have been utilized because that just shows how crazy this store is. It's so busy. Yeah? What? Yeah. Can you believe it? 28 registers. 28 registers. That's how busy this store is. Unbelievable. And the line goes all the way down here and then to the back. One more time. Okay, one more time. I'm going to show all the registers. Look. All the way down to the other side. goes down to here and to this side.
Next on 18.
See?